Welcome to StoryExec's Creating Documents. We're going to be talking about uploading media files, uploading Outlook PSD files, and uploading scanned images. First off, we need to log in and then go to our Tools tab, and under our Tools tab we'll go to our File Upload node, and then once we're from there we expand our node to, and then we select New Document. Once we select our new document, we choose our class, we choose our destination where we want to send the document, we enter a subject in to what our subject line wants to be for this new document, and then we add our page content of what we want to say, what we need to be saying that will go into our content view. We then choose our files by selecting each file as we need to upload. Once we have then completed selecting all of our files for upload, we click on the upload link, which starts the upload process, and once the upload process is complete, it refreshes the page, and now we can add another document if we needed to. But next we're going to go on, we are going to upload a PSD data file. A PSD data file can contain messages or contacts, and each message or contact within that data file becomes a new document. So to get started, first thing we want to do is we want to choose our document class. We then want to choose our document destination. Since a PSD data file can contain numerous documents within it, and since it may be old documents, what we want to do here is we're going to commit the documents to storage versus putting them into an inbox. What this does for us is that it gets the documents into the system, and we can update and index them at a later date. Okay, so we choose our storage, we choose our PSD file, and we click on an upload link, which then uploads our PSD file. Once it's done, it comes back to, and if we need to upload another PSD file, we can start the process all over again. Next, we're going to upload scanned images. These are images that are TIFF image files that are separated with our custom page separators. Now, it is not required that you upload with a page separator, but if you've got multiple documents that within your TIFF file, then you have to use a page separator. But if you want all your images to go into one document, then you don't need a page separator. So to get started here, what we're going to do is we'll check our document class again. We're going to put it to our inbox. Now we're going to choose our TIFF file. Now, to give you an idea what the actual content of a page separator looks like within the TIFF file, we're going to open up this TIFF file and we'll show you what it looks like. And as you can see, the custom page separator is nothing more than 4 barcodes on the actual page that's separated between each document. The required output to use this process, obviously, of course, is a TIFF image. We recommend a color or grayscale at 200 dpi. This allows for scanning of the papers without stopping. So if you have got a stack of papers that you've got 10 documents in, you don't have to stop scanning them if you need to. You just stack them on top of each other and just scan them versus having to scan one file and then stop and then do another file. This gives you the ability to actually put a stack of papers together and scan them all at one time into one big file. Then once it's scanned, you scan it into a large file for upload, and the transformation services will automatically split the file into multiple documents automatically. As you can see here, this is another picture of where the documents show up between the actual separated pages. So the actual separation occurs at the very top where the separator page is, and then there's another separator at the very bottom where it starts on the document that follows this one here. The document separator page should only exist on the very top of every document. And if there's no document, there should never be a page separator at the end of a document. Now, to go forward, it's just a matter of doing the same things before. We click upload and we upload. Now we wait for a short period of time for the uploading to complete and for this to process. Then it's just a matter of going back and then refreshing our list. And as you can see, The first document that we uploaded under Test Subject 4 has now been there, and at the very bottom you can see where it says Tax Forms 0, 1, and 2. What it does is when it splits out the documents, it uses the file name and the date and time in the subject name, and it gives you the sequence number of which position the document was within the file. And it's just that easy.